Hi, this is Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around on your 2016 Ford Explorer. Stock number is 7294. Now in a virtual video walk around, we're going to show you this Explorer up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. We're going to make our way around the passenger exterior. You're going to notice there's no dents, no dings, no scratches. Let's get a nice look there. Making our way around to the rear. Let's take a look at the interior. For traveling, maybe need room for luggage, third row seating, which you could actually remove for more space, and absolutely a comfortable ride on the Ford Explorer. Power rear door, of course, making our way into the passenger side rear. Very comfortable seating in the rear. Moonroofs, power windows, locks, cruise tilt. Absolutely a fully loaded Explorer. Home and warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You just get more at Sunset Ford. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. We look forward to meeting you and get ready to save. Take care.